Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Ramadan Special for Best Chaat. Aloo Chaat. Papdi Chaat Sunday. Saucy Chana. Hot Tami de Aloo. Aloo Chaat. Add some oil. 1 large boiled potato cut in cubes. Shallow fry till golden brown. Remove in a bowl. Add some chopped onion. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Pinch of chaat masala. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon black salt. 1 tablespoon of sweet tamarind chutney. 1/2 tablespoon green coriander mint chutney. Mix gently. Time to plate. Remove in a serving dish. Pour some sweetened curd. Pour green chutney. Sweet tamarind chutney. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Nylon seb. Pomegranate. Cook for you presents Papdi Chaat Sunday. Crush some poppies. Add some crushed poppies to the glass. Now add boiled potato chunks. Add boiled chickpeas. Green coriander mint chutney. Sweet tamarind chutney. Add some chopped onion. Add some chopped tomatoes. Add sweetened yogurt. Sprinkle some red chili powder. Sprinkle some cumin powder. Some chaat masala. Add soaked bundi. Add some nylon sieve. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add pomegranate seeds. Again drizzle some green chutney. Drizzle some sweet tamarind chutney. Garnish with papdi and mint. Repeat same procedure for another glass. You can also assemble as per your choice. Your papdi chaat sundae is ready to serve. Enjoy! Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Cook For You presents Chana Masala. Add 3 tablespoons oil in the pan. 2 chopped onions. Sauté well. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 chopped green chilies. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Roast for a minute. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. Pinch of asafoetida. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Roast the masala well. Add salt to taste. Combine well. 2 chopped tomatoes. 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon 5-spice sauce or garam masala. 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons tomato ketchup. 1 heaped tablespoon tamarind pulp. 2 teaspoons jaggery or sugar. Combine well. 1 boiled mashed potato. 1 cup boiled black chickpeas soaked overnight and take 7 to 8 whistles in pressure cooker. Combine well. Now add 1 teaspoon pure ghee. Cover and cook few minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Khatte de masala aloo. Heat the pan, add some oil. Add 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Let them crackle. 10 to 12 curry leaves. 1 chopped green chili. Keep sautéing for 1 minute. Add pinch of asafoetida. 1/4 teaspoon crushed fennel seed. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 to 2 pinch chaat masala. Salt to taste. Roast the masala well. Add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp. 1 teaspoon jaggery. Keep roasting. Add 2 large boiled potatoes. Give it a good mix. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Hot tangy masala aloo chaat is ready. Dish out. You try these 4 best chaat recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.